Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Artsy Girl 555 here, and today I'm going to be doing another plan with me. This is the Victoria Thatcher kit, and this is Sparkle Summer Seahorses. It is a free printable on her website, so go check it out if you're interested in this. This is week 4 that I'm doing, and it's a one-page spread, which I really like because I was able to use up every single sticker, which was super awesome. So I'm firstly starting off with the bottom washi, and I decided instead of cutting it, I would just place it inside the crease of the book and just put it onto the next page, so maybe look a little more seamless. And so I wanted to put on these little, oh wait, I haven't done that yet actually, just kidding. I'm just applying the other bottom washi. Later on, I take some letter stickers and put the word seahorse on the bottom for some more decor, but I didn't do that yet. So next I'm going in to do the full boxes, which were extremely gorgeous. I had such a difficult time choosing like what placement of them I wanted, and they were just so pretty. It was just super amazing kit this week. I loved the glitter. Oh my goodness. So I'm just deciding where I want to put these full boxes because I want to make sure that it's not like two of the same colors beside each other. And I found that for the day covers, it turned out to be that only 6 of them could fit on the top with about a block space in between all of them. So I ended up putting Sunday underneath Saturday later on. But that's okay because I didn't want to make it like a 3-page spread. I just wanted to keep it on the 2 pages. After I put down all my full boxes, I moved on to these. They're full boxes too, but they're like a little more plain in the middle so you can write something down on them. So I went ahead and laid those down. At least today when I'm filming this, it's Monday, so it's like the very first day of this week, like of this kit that I'm using. And I ended up using the full box as another checklist. I think that's something that I need to incorporate in my spreads because I have so many to-dos usually for each day. Not always, but today I had a bunch, and I ended up using like a sticky note to have even more to-dos because I ran out of space on that day. I totally forgot to take a picture of the spread when I finished it without any kind of like writing. I did have some things I wrote on there, like taking out the trash or what have you, but I totally forgot to write my other thing, or I forgot to take a picture before I wrote my to-dos down for the day. So they're in there. It's nothing private or personal, so I didn't mind taking a picture. But if you want to see this week's and all of my previous weeks and forthcoming weeks and calligraphy and school notes, check out my Instagram, which is at study_ry on Instagram, and you can see where I post. I post pretty frequently on there. Trying to go back into a daily schedule, but since I'm doing weekly spreads, I don't post my days anymore. So I'm now placing my full box, or after I've placed my little like checklist full boxes, I'm going to be placing the checklists, and these were there's only 4 of them, which was a little strange since I think a full like work week would be Monday to Friday, even the whole week for some people. So it was a little difficult. Friday I just left it. I could put some kind of just like small stickers there, but I just left it for the time being. I could always just like put a little heart with a pen and then do it, and then I also forgot they had these little half boxes, and they just said remember and important on top of them, and I totally forgot about them. And those are probably going to be like the sidebar kind of thing. And since there's only 4 checklists and Saturday and Sunday and Friday didn't have one, I ended up putting the important and remember underneath Saturday and Sunday, so that those would be kind of like the checkbox. And now I'm placing some Disney Tsum Tsums. So I thought, since this is kind of like an underwater kit, I put Ariel and Sebastian. And I'm also placing down some stickers that I have. I don't think right now, but I have a little trash icon from one of my previous kits, as well as a little planner icon that I put down. And this is when I'm doing the little lettering for the seahorse. It was a little difficult since I only had one E, so I took an L and I took other letters and cut them down to make it look like an E. And that about wraps it up for this week's plan with me in my bullet journal traveler's notebook. I really hope you all enjoyed and that you'll check out my previous plan with me's and my future ones. If you have any websites or any kind of recommendations for free printable planner kits, whether they're for the Erin Condren and for Happy Planner, just leave a link down below in the comment section if you would like me to check them out and maybe use them in one of my future videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye!